Hello friends, hope you are good. I'm back with another interesting video on scientific strategy for exam success. Have you ever felt like your exam syllabus is just too huge to handle and that's why you didn't do well in exams? Many students just dive into their books without clear plan, and this can lead to stress, procrastination and last minute rush. Don't worry, today we will learn three scientific techniques to overcome this problem. Number one, syllabus customization. You don't have to follow in same order as given in the syllabus. Arrange them the way makes sense to you. Say for instance, if you find plant biotechnology more interesting than the animal physiology or any other topic for that matter, try to start with the topic that is interesting for you and finish that in less time. It will boost your confidence. For syllabus customization, again three pro tips are there. The first one is SWOT analysis, then previous year question trend analysis, and third one is mind mapping. Moving to the SWOT analysis, so know your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. To have a good start, begin with your strengths and try to cover them faster. Similarly, identify your weak areas and allot more time to them. Use extra resources from online and offline sources. Now moving to the opportunities. Opportunities are high yielding topics frequently asked in exams. Focus on these areas to maximize your chances of scoring well. For instance, if antigen antibody reaction is often asked in the exams, then prioritize them. Threats are less frequently asked questions but could affect your overall performance. So be aware of these topics and have at least basic understanding of it. The next point is previous year question trend analysis. So by analyzing at least 5-year question papers, you will get to know the trends of question asked in the exam. And knowing the number and frequency of question asked, you can identify important topics and patterns. The next tip is mind mapping. Do mind mapping because mind maps helps us visualize and organize the connected topics. And these are the tools that can be used for mapping, mind mapping. These are the online tools. You can take a screenshot of this page, or you can simply use a pen and paper to do the mind mapping or make mind maps. Now moving to the another important technique is correlation technique. In this technique, we correlate the topic or the content of the syllabus with the real world scenario. So I will give you a real world example. So for instance, I have gone through the syllabus of DBT JRF and I have seen the different chapters, and now I'm going to study the environmental biotechnology topic, and I have seen the syllabus, but I will not follow the same order. Rather, I will divide the topic into three parts. The first one is problem parts, that what are the environmental problems, current environmental problems, and then what are the tools and techniques used to study these problems, followed by the available solutions. So if I study in this manner, I can retain that for longer time and I will never forget an exam because I know that this is the problem, these are the methods to study that, and these are the available solutions. So friends, let's learn the another important scientific technique, that is chunking technique. So as the name suggests, what we do in chunking technique is we break down the syllabus into smaller pieces or chunks, and this makes it easier to tackle large volume of information without feeling overwhelmed. Say for instance, you can divide the molecular biology into 7 sessions, and in each session you can cover 1 or 2 chunks. To track your progress, you can use certain softwares available online, or the simple and the best one is using the Excel file, so in which you can use the columns and rows. In column you can enter the topics that you are going to cover, then you can also write in the rows that whether it is your strength or weakness, and how much time do you want to devote on that, when you have to revise it, how much you have learned, whether you require the revision for this or not, or you have solved the previous year questions or not. So everything you can just track in the MS Excel file, and it will help you to know that what about your progress, which is very important part of any preparation. So in the end, I will give a quick recap of the video. So it's your turn now. Download your exam syllabus, do SWOT analysis as suggested, and customize your syllabus by reordering or restructuring them. Use correlation technique and chunking technique to make your sessions very interesting and useful, and then create your own syllabus tracker in MS Excel. Good luck, subscribe for more.